Hi guys, it's StephanieGrams, Sewpreneur. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I add a tag and the darts to the back of my memory bear. You can find more information at sewpreneur.com. These are the tags that I design and print myself. I do have a tutorial on that, and I use avery.com for the free template, and I have an HP inkjet printer, and I just do all of my own sublimation and printer using a basic HP inkjet. My husband bought it at Walmart for me about 3 or 4 years ago, and I use it pretty much for just about everything. But I also get a really good deal on my HP ink. The link is below in the description. If you join, you decide how much you want to spend each month. It saves me a lot of money. So for my fabric, this is a fabric tag, by the way. It's a cotton blend, I believe. It's the fabric. And I like to pre-stitch my label first, fold it in half and pre-stitch it. And I will try to zoom in and show you what I put on my tags for all of my stuffies and memory bears. Now, this tag is rather large, and I do end up cutting it down. I'm not sure if I show you that on camera, but definitely measure yours before you go and design and print them. Yeah, there you go. So hand wash only. This is not a toy. Use your own disclaimers. This is the pattern I'm using. It's what I call the original memory bear. That's just something I say. That was the pattern piece for the back. Right now, these are the darts, and the black line you see, that's just on the interfacing the iron-on pellon. I stabilize all of my fabric except in the case of maybe a customer doesn't want it stabilized for whatever reason. So make sure whenever you put your tag in that you put the top of the tag facing up and the description or instructions facing down, which is what I was just showing you. And then fold the tag into that dart seam, and you will want to make sure that it's lined up. And here I make it stick out a little bit more, and you can see the black dots on the tag. That's for filming purposes only. I usually do cut down my tags smaller, but it's a little harder to film. So I just kind of needed to exaggerate the size of the tag for this tutorial. Make sure you backstitch several times whenever you are sewing in your tag, because those seams can be a little thick. Here you go. You can see the top of the tag facing up, the bottom of the tag facing down. That way your customers can see the pretty logo that you have. This is the second part of the bear back, because there's 2 panels to this teddy bear, and they both have a dart. So make sure that you, again, do the back stitch when you first begin to stitch and when you are done stitching it. You want those darts to stay firmly secure. I don't know a better way to say that. Now I am just aligning the curved part of the back. The easy way to remember this is the back of the bear is going to have a 1.5 to 3 inch opening. And that's what I'm doing here. So you want to stitch a couple inches, 2 or 3 inches. Then you want to stop and then skip about 2 inches and leave that open and stitch the rest of the back of the bear. Because that opening that you leave, that's what you are going to turn your bear inside out, or right side out, I think is how you say it. That way you can stuff it and sew it back and all of that. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell for notifications. I am uploading as quickly as I can. I do go live every once in a while. My goal is to go live at noon Eastern time the rest of December. And today's filming is December 16th, 2022. I'm hoping that the last several 2 weeks left of the year, I'm hoping to go live at noon Eastern, Monday through Friday. Meanwhile, back to the video. I am just going to back stitch and secure the very end of the bear's back or bottom part, I should say, because those darts give your bear a boxed bottom where it can sit up. And you definitely want to make sure those seams are nice and secure. Otherwise, you're going to have to restitch, and nobody wants to do that, right? There's the opening. You can leave your opening in the back. Again, you can leave it larger if you prefer. It just depends on your taste and technique. But there you have it. It's not that difficult. And I hope that you follow along. Sewpreneur.com for business how-to. Memory Bears and Keepsakes.com to order your own keepsake. Thank you, guys.